Hey guys, what's up? So today I want to talk about soloing. There is a common misperception about how to solo well. Now, the way I was thinking about it, and I think a lot of us think about it, is that if we know more stuff, we play better. Now, it's not true, but it's also not true. So what we do need to know and get better at is editing. We can actually do a lot of damage with C major scale. So what I'm going to talk about right now is 10 points that I use a lot to get better at soloing. Now these points are valid for jazz, for blues, for any style of improvisation. It could be simple lines, but it could also be super complex chromatic lines. If you're digging the track, I also have it on my Patreon, so please check it out. The framework we're going to use today is only C major scale, so all the exercises are valid if you know C major scale. 1. Repetition. So repetition creates context. If I'm playing a line like, and then I'm playing it again, and then I'm playing it again, but changing it, there is reference point. It's like a language, right? So I'm saying words in a language we both speak. Now, I didn't come up with those words, so you understand them. We agree on those terms. So it's the same thing with music. Check it out. Just repetition. Try to play it better, stronger. Now when I'm saying stronger, I don't mean actually louder or anything, I just mean with more intention. So listening to it and trying to make it stronger in time, just locking into the groove and playing a perfect repetition. Perfect in the sense of rhythmically. 2. Adjust that line. Take the same exact line and change the last note. Use the same line, but now add a couple notes at the end. Check it out. Four, rhythm. Change the rhythm of your line. So basically I'm taking the same notes I just played, that's my framework, and I'm changing the rhythms. So let's do it. Five, restrictions. So sometimes when we solo, we can tell ourselves that we can only use a certain device or a certain area of the neck or 2 strings, for example, or even 1 string. So I'm gonna limit my solo right now to only 1 string. Let's try it. This is one of my favorites, repeating the last 3-4 notes of the line. This is basically called continuity. The idea is that sometimes we play lines that are not connected to each other and we want to tell a story. So that really helps us listen to what we're playing, therefore connect and play it well. 7. Contrasting line A, first idea, with line B. So basically repeating the first idea a couple of times to create the context like we did before, and then contrasting it. Now the contrast would be stronger because we had the first line happening a couple of times. Check it out. 8. Close your eyes. Sometimes just by closing your eyes and not thinking about who's in the room or outside the room, it's a little easier to concentrate. 9. Take your line, whatever line it is, play it a couple of times and then sing it. Simple but effective. 10. Sing a line and then try to play it. For example, and then I'll just find it in time. Or it could be any line. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this, and please share with someone that those tips and ideas might help him or her to solo. And I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.